7 things about Claude Desktop, and most people have never used more than one. Chat, projects, artifacts, Cowork, code, dispatch, scheduled. These are the 7 modes. 2 layers, 5 for daily work, 2 for automation. Let's go through each one. Number 1, chat. You type a question, you get an answer. That part you know. But on desktop, it runs everywhere and it remembers everything across devices. Watch this. Someone types, "Plan my first Singapore trip in February." Claude doesn't give tips. It builds a full, day-by-day itinerary with exact costs. Day 1, airport, transit card, Marina Bay, Gardens by the Bay. Day 2, Chinatown, temples, food centers, rooftop bar at sunset. Then Claude goes further. Same prompt. Second example. Someone asks for a reverse sear tomahawk steak recipe. Claude searches the web and returns a full recipe card with ingredients, steps, and side dish pairings. One prompt. Complete usable output. That's chat when it's actually working. Number 2, connected tools. Look at this map of everything Claude can access. Drive, Gmail, Calendar, Slack, Notion, GitHub, Jira. Over 20 integrations. Someone asks, find my latest sales dashboard files in Drive, summarize them, write a team update. Claude searches the actual Drive, reads the files, writes the email. Projects. This is how you stop repeating yourself to Claude. Open a project, set the instructions once. Every chat in that project follows them automatically. You connect your apps here, Drive, Calendar, Figma, Airtable, Box, OneDrive, and you install plugins. Think of them like apps for Claude. Each plugin gives Claude a new ability it didn't have before. Some plugins are built by Anthropic, others come from partners. So instead of Claude only answering questions, plugins let it work with specific tools and specialized workflows. Number 4, Cowork. And this one changes everything. Cowork lives on your computer. It sees your files. It works on your files. First time setup, pick a folder, click Allow Access. That's it. Claude can now read, create, and edit files inside that folder directly. Watch what happens. It updates 2 files, creates 2 new ones, done, all tagged. And here's where it gets serious. Look at this prompt for the Meat Flow project. You can tell Claude, act without asking. No confirmations. Just do the work. It searches Google Drive, finds the relevant files, identifies duplicates, flags them, and in real time, a Word document builds itself in the side panel. Launch readiness brief, fully formatted, saved to Drive. You didn't touch a thing. Then the Meat Flow project is opened and a detailed brief is requested. 7 sections, features, selling points, positioning, 30-second pitch, limitations. Claude reads everything in the project folder and writes it all. Live, in a split view. This is what it means to have Claude actually working for you, not just answering you. Number 6, dispatch. Your phone becomes a remote control for Claude on your desktop. You send a task from the Dispatch app. Claude starts working on your computer at home. It reads the files, prepares the report, and sends you back a finished result. Your computer is doing real work. That's dispatch. Now it's time for scheduled. Setting one up. Every Friday, review Meatflow. Generate a progress report across 7 areas. Claude asks, what type of task? You pick recurring report. It schedules it. Done. And here's what an automated daily briefing looks like when it runs. 3 new emails, 2 calendar events, AI summary at the bottom, live data from Gmail and Google Calendar. Next, live artifacts. Turn ideas into interactive work. A live artifact is an interactive canvas, a mini app, created by Claude in real time, right inside your chat. It doesn't just answer in text. It builds something you can see, use, and share, everything updated automatically. And the last and the strongest one, code. This is for building real things. Prompt. Build a website for an AI consulting business. Full spec in one message. Claude writes the implementation plan and renders a live preview side by side. Nexus AI. Hero. AI that actually moves the needle. Stats, services, pricing, all there. It adds an interactive dashboard widget directly to the live site. Contact page, full form. Clean layout, working footer, 1 HTML file. No build tools, runs immediately in Chrome. And you didn't write a single line of code. If this changed how you think about Claude, subscribe. More workflow tests are coming. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment.